Have you ever wanted to live in Summerville, South Carolina? Check out my brand new listing at 229 Overcup Loop in Cane Bay Plantation. This property is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,200 square feet, located on a wooded lot just minutes from the YMCA. A lot of love and care has been put into this property. There are several upgrades that you'll notice when you're walking through. There's a lot of custom woodworking, a custom mantle that is done over a gas fireplace. We've got built-in cabinetry throughout the home and more to see. One of my favorite features about this property is the newly renovated primary shower. It offers dual rain heads, gorgeous tile with a hexagon pattern on the floor. It is not one to miss. This property is located on a beautiful wooded lot with mature trees. It is ready for you to see. Contact the Gaspar Group today to schedule a showing.